Yeah, I just noticed I made a huge mistake here. In this part right here, size of type image times I. Well, I starts at 0, so it really doesn't work. So it's we have to resize it to size of type image type I plus 1, because otherwise we're just going to uh, set the size to 0 with that, and we won't have anything to do with it. At least I think that's the way it works. Okay, we need the size to be plus 1, not the index. Index is 0, but the size is it must be at least 1. We put it in parentheses just to make sure that it's 1, so that we have at least one image to write to. So I hope that works there. So let's just see if it works. And it works. Okay, so now we have an image. We have an image list, but we still need to clean it up because there's way too much going on here. Okay, now we're going to clean it up a bit by creating a image list type. Okay, type def structure again. Okay, type def structure type image list. Okay, unsigned, not unsigned long. Wait a minute, what do we have? Type dynamic array image data. Okay, we got everything here. We're gonna use everything here inside of it. Okay, constant, we'll keep that same. List data. Okay, list data, unsigned long, list length. Okay, that's pretty much all we need. Unsigned long, list data, list length. Okay, to create the image list, long type image list create. Do we create an empty list, or do we create a list with a thing inside? Okay, we're going to create an empty list. Okay, type image list. Parent. Okay, if parent equals 0, return 0. Okay, what else? Okay, type dynamic array. Okay, if type dynamic array create and parent list data, and so we're good. Parent.list length equals 0, return 1. Else parent.list length equals 0 and return 0. The dynamic array create will take care of setting everything to 0 by itself, so you don't have to worry about that. Return 0. Okay, we should have put it up there, but I just wanted to be consistent. Okay, type list add directory. Add directory const so nst char path name. Do we have the path name? Yes, the path name. Path name and unsigned long limit. We need a limit because otherwise we're just going to list add all sorts of files. Limit. Okay, so we just copy and paste everything we did down here. Find close. So we just take everything we did down here and paste it. But we just have to, okay, ijk, what do I need ijk? Okay, find first file, path name. Oh no, not const jar. Okay, lpcstr. lpcwstr. Is it? Yeah, lpcwstr. Path name. Okay, we have the path name. Okay, image array. Why image array? Oh yeah, parent.list data. Parent.list data. Parent.list data, size of type image. Okay, I equals whatever, image page. Why ijk? No, we don't need I, we don't need j and k. Okay, we don't need j and k, I plus 1, image array. Okay, images. Okay, we have to copy images. Oh, where is that? Okay, images. Type image. Images. Okay, everything. C length. Oh, what is this? Oh, we have to allocate a buffer. Okay, unsigned char buffer. Okay, buffer equal malloc. Buffer equal malloc 496. That's just a nice round number. That's big enough. Unsigned jn date char. Unsigned char buffer. Buffer equal malloc, just to be sure. Local variable. What? Whatever. Why does it do that? Okay, type dynamic array size. I equals 0. Do I plus 1 size of type image. Images equals image array data. Oh, do we have to do this every single time? Yes, we do. Image array. No, not image array. Parent.list data. Parent.list data.array data. It's complicated, but we just have to redo it every single time. Type file bm.load images, and at the end, parent.list length equals I. Or we could just take parent.list length and set it to 0. Oh wait, no. Oh, plus equal I. Now parent.list length plus plus. Get rid of the I. Okay. Parent.list length plus plus. Now parent. That file bmp to parent. If parent.list length. Oh wait. Darn. Now I'm confusing myself again. Unsigned long I. Okay, I equals 0. I plus plus. If I less than 100, we have to count it because we don't want to reach the limit. The limit is a special thing. Parent.list length plus equal I. Okay, find close. Where's that? Oh yeah, there it is. It's just being unsigned char. malloc get full path. Did I copy get full path? Oh no, I did not. Okay, add directory static like get full path. Okay. Okay, free buffer. Okay, that doesn't do anything, just to free the buffer. Type image list add directory free buffer. Why I? Oh, I have no idea why it does that. Okay, C buffer. No, not C buffer, just buffer. Okay, this is getting confusing, just to make sure we don't confuse ourselves. Buffer. Unsigned char buffer. Argument unsigned char. Oh, not unsigned char, just char. not unsigned char, just draw pointer. Okay, buffer I plus plus I equals 0 time image loads, not C buffer again, buffer if I equal limit break and find close. We are done. Turn 1 if parent equals 0, return 0. Okay, let's just make sure we didn't miss anything here. Type dynamic reset parent.list data. If we need to be safe here because otherwise we'll run the risk of doing something wrong. Okay, I plus plus. Okay. Okay, we have to make sure that we only do this if we're able to resize everything correctly. Or why is C length? Length. I length. Make sure we don't get this wrong. Length. Do we even need the length? No, we don't. Because it's a null terminated string, so we don't need to know how long it is. Okay, type dynamic resize and then load buffer. Load buffer, free buffer, and we're done. Add directory, and then we destroy it. Type list data destroy. Add directory. Type list image list destroy. This one's a little more complicated because you can't simply destroy it because we have to unallocate all the images. Okay, type dynamically get destroy images equal. Okay, dynamically create destroy images equal the type of this data. For I, no, for I, no, what am I doing? For I equals 0, I less than parent dot list length I plus plus. Okay, type image destroy and images dot I unsigned long I. Unsigned long I images I. Destroy images I. Type dynamic array destroy. Parent dot list data. And we don't need an if. Just destroy it and set everything's. Oh, actually, if would be nice. If type dynamically destroy, set everything to 0. And return 1. Images, why images? No, and images.i, okay. And images.i. Parent dot list length equals 0. No, set everything 0. We don't do anything. For I, destroy everything and we're done. Destroy each image, and in turn, create BMP load image I plus plus. If it doesn't work right, nothing will happen, I think. I think, yeah. And we destroy it, and it's done. Okay, type dynamic image create. Type image list. No, type image list, not image. Type image list, add directory, type image list create. Where am I? Type image list create, okay. Create. No, why is everything here? Why is all this up here? Okay, everything here is const image type, image list, image page. Not image page, okay. Okay, image list page. Just to be clear that if we don't do this right, we might get confused later. Image list page, okay. Okay, everything's right. Why does it do that? A sub-expression may overflow before it is assigned to a wider type. What? No. Size of type image, I+1. I don't care about that. Okay, okay, type image list. Images. Type images, nope. Create images. Type image list. Type image list load directory. Images. Type images, add images, and path name. Okay. Okay, unsigned long IJK. Okay. Does everything work? Nope. Okay, images, not images, image list. Okay, images. Okay, this is just getting complicated here. Images equals images.list data. Hey. We're just gonna do it directly because I don't have time for this. Images, not type image. Images, okay. Okay. Images is equals image list dot list data dot array data. K equals 0. Okay, if k is more than or equal image list dot list count break. Okay, image list, oh no, list length. Okay, we just all kinds of wrong here. Images dot list length break. Okay, so it should work now. Build solution. On initialize memory. Okay. Okay. Path name. Oh yeah. 100. Don't forget that. Build a build solution. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it works. Well, that was easy enough. Okay, next time we'll do something else, I think.